Last minute, quick holiday dessert. These fun cookies with their swirls of rich chocolate and vanilla dough are perfect for Christmas or as a gift. Just store in the freezer, and if you are expecting company at the last minute, no problem. Just take out the cookies, slice and bake. Very easy and so convenient. Sift together flour and powdered sugar. Add cold butter. With this step, I always use grater, which works the best. With your kitchen knife, chop all the ingredients for a few minutes. Add 1 egg yolk and combine again all the ingredients. And now, with your hands, start kneading dough to form clean ball of the dough, just like that. If the dough is still very sticky to the surface, you can add more flour. And this looks perfect. Exactly what we are looking for. Divide the dough in half. Roll and form half of the dough into approximately triangle shape between paper sheets. Return the other half of the dough and add your favorite cocoa powder. Then continue kneading chocolate cocoa into the dough just until combined. Form chocolate dough by rolling same way as white dough into rectangle shape. And now we just need to flip the ready chocolate dough on top of vanilla dough, just like that, and gently roll over the top with a rolling pin to make the dough stick to another one. Starting with the edge of the dough closest to you, carefully curl the edges of the dough up and over with your fingers. Then cover in a plastic wrap or wax paper and freeze for 30 minutes. Finally, when we are ready to bake, preheat the oven. Using sharp knife, slice dough into 1/4 inch thick and place on the prepared baking sheet. You can always cut them thinner or thicker if you prefer. Bake cookies for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees until light golden brown. The first batch is ready and smells amazing. And right before serving, you can sprinkle your cookies with powdered sugar and enjoy with hot cocoa or delicious coffee. I hope you all enjoyed this fun and quick recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you next time.